It's such a warm and fresh start of the day. Today we are all gathered here to celebrate the proud day for India, that is 72nd Republic Day of India. Due to prevalent pandemic situation, we are conducting Republic Day online, but we are definitely not falling short anyway. Like every year, we are still carrying the enthusiasm and zeal with us. Republic Day is a proud day for all of us, as Constitution of our country came into force in 1950 on 26 January. We Indians got freedom after huge sacrifices of our leaders and countrymen, just as our country fought at that time to be freed from the slavery of the British. Similarly, today our country has been continuously fighting with corona pandemic for last 1 year, and I am sure we will be out of it soon. I would like to thank our frontline warriors like doctors, nurses, paramedical staff, policemen, helpers, security guards. Salute to them. And Manjusha ma'am to welcome our chief guest, principal ma'am and dignitaries with the badge. I request our principal ma'am to escort our chief guest, Mr. Mukesh Tilwani, and our dignitaries, Mrs. Riya Tilwani, Dr. Prabhakar Sonavne, Associate Professor, Agricultural College, Dhule, and Mr. Ramesh Pawar. I request our coordinators and teachers to come along with them. Now, I would like to introduce our chief guest, Mr. Mukesh Tilwani, a person defined in himself by innovative ideas that always start where an individual gives best of food. He is passionate about education and always guides us with his innovative ideas. You are most welcome, sir. I would request Pari ma'am and Manusha ma'am to welcome our chief guest, principal ma'am and dignitaries with the badge. Now I request our chief guest, Mr. Mukesh Tilwani, to come.
सोनोने सर आ जाएंगे प्लीज.
Now I request our chief guest, Mr. Mukesh Tilwani, to present the photograph of our leader. I request our chief guest to do puja of our national flag. Everyone stand up and kindly take a position for preamble. I would like to call upon Arshi ma'am to read the preamble.
We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity and to promote among them all. Fraternity assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution. Thank you.
Now we will have our flag hoisting ceremony. So I request our dignitary to unfurl the flag.
एक साथ सावधान एक साथ राष्ट्रगीत शुरू करेंगे शुरू
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
एक साथ राष्ट्रध्वज के लिए सलामी देंगे सलामी दो
विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा सदा शक्ति सरसाने वाला प्रेम सुधा बरसाने वाला वीरों को हर्षाने वाला मातृभूमि का तन मन सारा मातृभूमि का तन मन सारा झंडा ऊंचा रहे झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा, झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा।
हाथ नीचे। भारत माता की जय। भारत माता की जय। भारत माता की
Jai. Now I would request all the dignitaries to be seated.
A very, very happy morning to all the guests, the chief guests, the dignitaries, teachers, my dear students, everyone present over here on this auspicious occasion. It is a very, very important day for all of us. So I wish you all a very, very happy Republic Day. Today, all of us have gathered here to celebrate our national festival, our Republic Day, with great enthusiasm. Our spirits are not damped because of the pandemic. We are still here to celebrate it with great enthusiasm. Today we are celebrating the 72nd Republic Day of our country, India, in the year 2021. On this great occasion, first of all, I would like to salute our departed soldiers, our departed leaders, and many unsung heroes who fought fearlessly for the freedom of our country. It is a great history that how many of them laid lives to get us out from the clutches of the Britishers. Yes, many of them laid lives for us to be free from their clutches. Let us all pay our respects to our great Indian soldiers also who fight for us, who protect India by playing on their lives day and night and thereby making us live fearlessly. Salute to all of them. I bow down before them for their service to the nation. It is very important for every Indian to understand the importance of this day, the importance of this Republic Day, because without the sacrifice of these soldiers, without the sacrifice of our great leaders, we wouldn't have been where we are today, free to walk, free to talk, free to eat, and free to go anywhere and free to speak. So let us once again salute to all our Indian soldiers, all our leaders who have laid down their lives for us. Then it is highly inevitable for all of us to upkeep, to see that these rich traditions are followed year on year for thousands of years. I am sure that everyone must have read volumes about their sacrifices and must have also watched movies. Our dream is that each one of you grow up. My dear children, it is our dream that each one of you grow up and develop as integrated personalities who will return to your own country and contribute immensely, a lot to the country for the further development and also contribute to the world's peace at large. In the end, I request all of you to take a pledge that we are going to uphold the traditions, the security of our country by thinking that we all are one, by keeping in mind that we all are one and we all are one. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am, for the wonderful speech. Now I would like to call upon Archana ma'am, our teacher, with a melodious voice to sing Vande Mataram. Everyone kindly stand up.
Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Sujalam Sufalam, Malayaj Sheetalam, Shasya Shamalam Mataram, Vande Mataram, Shubhra Jyosna Pulakitayaminim, Fulla Kusumita Drumadala Shobhinim, Suhasinim Sumadhura Bhashinim, Sukhadam Varadam Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram.
Bharat Mata ki,
जय
Bharat Mata ki,
जय
Bharat Mata ki,
जय
Vande,
मातरम
Vande,
मातरम
Vande.
मातरम
Over to Shagufta ma'am to propose vote of thanks.
Here, as we come towards the end, I would like to say thank you to our respected Chairman Sir, Director Sir, dignitaries, Principal Ma'am, teachers, non-teaching staff, parents and students watching online for gracing this occasion. Thank you all. At last in the end, I would like to say, let not pass this Republic Day as any other holiday and instead look within and think whether we are fulfilling our fundamental duties or not. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
So I announce that the program is over. Thank you.